Hello students! In this video, we will see the AI training and testing datasets. Imagine you are teaching a robot how to recognize different types of fruits. You need to show it many pictures of apples, bananas, and oranges, so it can learn what each fruit looks like. This is similar to how artificial intelligence (AI) learns using training and testing datasets. Training dataset. It includes lots of labeled examples like pictures of apples labeled as apple. The AI studies these examples and learns patterns just like you learn from textbooks. Testing dataset. Once the AI has learned from the training data, we give it a test. We show it new pictures it has never seen before and ask it to identify the fruit. This helps us check if the AI has really learned or if it just memorized the examples. Why is this important? If the AI does well on the test data, it means it has truly learned. If it fails, we might need to give it more training data or improve the way it learns. This is how AI learns to do things like recognizing faces, understanding speech, and even driving cars.